This is outside of the house. 1-car garage. This is the neighborhood in the front. This seems to be a nice neighborhood for the most part. Not too bad. House is priced well. Backyard is fenced in. Stairs to go up on the rail in the front. On this side, there's a light right there. And double doors. Okay, and the split level stairs. Come in, go up the stairs, and there's the living room. It's the living room, and there is a faint cigarette smoke in the house, but it's not too bad. I think there's hardwood floors underneath the carpet, which is not very attractive. We probably could pull it, and there's hardwoods maybe underneath. There's large windows in the dining room. It's a yard view from the window. It's the kitchen. There's a fan up there. Kitchen's in good condition. Looks good. Go out to the backyard. It's a nice, good, the deck's in pretty good condition. Deck's in good condition. Good sized deck. You can fit a patio set out here, a couple of chairs. There's a large tree in the backyard. Give you some shade. The yard is fenced in the back. Neighbor's house. The only issue we had was the ground was kind of soft up here, and there was some water running down in the gully in the back. I was wondering about that. See how it runs down and goes up. A little concerned about the water, but it is on a slopey, hilly lot, so the back isn't too bad, but the front is very sloped up. And then there's the back deck, front view.